Welcome. If you're an admin looking to allow voice messages in your Telegram group using the PC app, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, managing group permissions has never been easier. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable voice messages for your group members, so everyone can communicate more freely and expressively. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look at your chat list on the left and find the group where you're an admin. Click on the group to open the conversation window. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control everything from members to permissions. Next, find and click on the Permissions section. Here you'll see a list of what members are allowed to do in your group. Look for the Send Media option and click on it to expand more detailed settings. Within the media permissions, you'll find the toggle for voice messages. If it's currently disabled, simply click to enable it. This change will allow all group members to send voice messages directly into the chat. Once you've enabled voice messages, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This ensures your new settings are applied instantly, and that's it. You've now successfully allowed voice messages in your Telegram group on PC. Your members can start sending their thoughts, stories, and updates in their own voices, making your group chat even more lively and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, share it with other admins who might need a hand. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the new way of connecting with your community on Telegram.